Whether it's macro or products, food or toy photography, it takes controlled lighting and a super steady camera to get truly professional results. Introducing the eXtreme Macro Bundle from Platypod, including the new Platypod eXtreme. For those of you who already own the eXtreme or the older Platypod Max, the same handy equipment is available in the new Macro Accessory Bundle. These bundles include 2 state-of-the-art LED lights, several Platypod goosenecks, and a Platypod elbow mount to support and position the lights. The kit also comes with a Platypod mini super clamp so that you can mount and support your props, reflectors, or any devices up to 1.5 inches in diameter. First, let's have a quick look at the 2 LED lights that come with the eXtreme Macro Bundle. Each unit has its own onboard controls as well as Bluetooth so that you can control it from the free LumeCube app with your iPhone or Android smartphone. The LumeCube 2.0 rechargeable light is small and versatile, and it mounts on Q20 devices like the provided goosenecks or the elbow arm. The rechargeable LumeCube Panel Pro is even more adjustable and versatile, sporting all the colors of the rainbow, and it can even be mounted vertically or horizontally. Your setup starts with a Platypod as the base of your system, then attach your own ball head, or one of ours, and your camera. Then, using one of several Q20 threaded holes, you can add on goosenecks, the elbow, the clamp, and lights as needed to achieve the optimal setup for your subject and your scene. Goosenecks can be stacked on each other or on the elbow to get over and around your subjects too. The Platypod Elbow supports over 5 pounds, and it has a Q20 male bolt on each end. This one is custom fitted for Platypod and can be screwed into any threaded hole that size on your Platypod. And because it's the perfect length, it won't protrude from the underside of the Platypod. The other end has this nifty thumb wheel so that you can easily screw on lights, small cameras, or the mini super clamp easily, swiftly, and securely. One cool feature of the Elbow is that this one twist control loosens or tightens all of the joints and the 2 rotating collars all at the same time. So just loosen up that one twist control, position the device where you want it, and tighten it back up again. Finally, when you want to hold a small reflector or bounce card or even a prop, like a branch or a utensil, just spin this little clamp onto the end of a gooseneck or your Platypod elbow and get a grip. You can shoot like a pro, you can master macro photography in all its forms, and get the images that you envisioned. Other than your camera and ball head, the eXtreme Macro Bundle comes with all you need to delve into the world of macro, product, toy, and culinary photography. And if you already have a Platypod you love, but you want the rest of that kit, check out the Macro Accessory Bundle. Hey, Platypod bundles are always a great deal, and bundles cost less than buying each item separately. Just visit platypod.com and click Shop All Products.